Hey, what is up YouTube? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. If you are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button below and the little notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. I'm going to be coming out with a lot of new Bing Ads content, so make sure to stay tuned with that. I hope everyone's having a good Monday. It is Monday, April 8th, and I woke up today feeling great, and then I decided it's time for me to make another video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about direct linking. One of the main questions I get is, should you start out direct linking with Bing Ads? And if so, why? What offers work? What do you need? And all that. I've been getting a lot of questions about it, so I decided to make a video specifically for these questions. So, should you direct link with Bing Ads? I made a little PowerPoint here, if I can get it working. Okay, so the best answer is it depends. And it depends on your budget, your time, the offer that you are promoting, and your personal experience level. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or expert, etc.? So I'm going to dive into each one of these little sections and go more in depth in it. So for your budget, if you don't have enough money for landing page creating softwares and email marketing software, like I use ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month at the starting level, and GetResponse starts out at $15 per month, I'm pretty sure. A lot of people, when you're starting out, like that's a lot of money. That's over $100 per month. So if you don't have enough budget to invest in these, then I would consider direct linking starting out. Keep in mind, you do need a tracking tool at the bare minimum. And you can get ClickMagick. It starts out at $17 per month. And a good budget for a direct linking campaign is anywhere from around $250 to $500 at the minimum. You need this amount because you need to invest in your data. See which keywords work, which ads are working, which ad groups are working, which demographics are your winners. And these are just things that you need to know. And when you start, if you set up your campaign properly in the beginning, you'll invest a few $100s into getting your data. Maybe you'll break even. But once you invest in that data, you can really put all your money towards what is working for that campaign. So the next thing, it depends on the amount of time that you have. Direct linking campaigns can be set up relatively fast. I found that on average for me, it takes me from an hour to an hour and a half, and I'll have the campaign set up and ready to go. But on the other hand, a full landing page email submit campaign with a follow-up series can take so much longer. You got to build your landing page, and that can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, plus I forgot to add in their spying on other landing pages out there so you can get ideas. That's probably another hour. Setting up your tracking on the landing page, email submit, and testing that tracking link to make sure that it works. That can take around an hour. Writing out the email sequences yourself, I hate doing this myself, but when I do it, it takes around 1 to 3 hours just because I'm not super used to emails or writing emails. I hate writing emails with a passion, and I'm starting to outsource that to people that like writing out email sequences. Then creating the Bing Ads campaign itself can take another hour. So when it's all said and done, it can take anywhere from 6 to 7 hours to have a full campaign set up. And these numbers aren't entirely accurate. This is just what I have found. So next, it depends on the offer that you're promoting. Some offers are great for direct linking and some aren't. That's just how it goes. Some of the verticals that I've had success with direct linking include make money online, health, your diet, and some auto. And those are just a few of the verticals. There's obviously more that you can test out. But another good thing to ask yourself is, does the offer allow brand bidding? So if you're promoting a weight loss plan and it's getting a lot of searches, you got to find out, can you use that keyword, the exact brand name, and have your ads appear when people type that in? Because that is a great way to direct link. If people are searching exactly for the offer and your ad can pop up, you can really make some good money doing that. So does your offer allow brand bidding? That'd be the first thing that I'd ask. If the offer doesn't allow brand bidding, you can still do good, but I'm just saying I've had a lot of success with brand bidding. Another thing to ask is there enough search volume? And you can find out if there's enough search volume for either the brand bids or any other ad groups that you plan to create by using keyword planners like the Google Keyword Planner, Bing's keyword research tool. So that part's on you, doing your own manual research. And then the last thing to ask yourself is, what is the payout? I personally like to shoot for $32 plus payouts. It's even better if the offer has an upsell too, but $32, around $30 is my minimum. If it's anything under that, I don't really set up direct linking campaigns for them, because if it's under the $30 payout, I like to set up an email submit landing page so I can collect their email, and if they don't buy the offer right away, I can follow up with that offer and then advertise other offers. And I've been getting some questions for people asking me, hey, should I direct link to a lead gen offer that pays out $1.80 to $2? And I always tell them, no, I've never found success. You got to get some really low cost per clicks with Bing ads to do that. And then I tell them, if you want to create Bing ads campaigns for lead submit offers, single opt-in offers that pay around $2, collect the email in your landing page and then send them to the offer. Because if they don't get that, then you can send out other single opt-in offers as well and then monetize your email list. But I've never found that direct linking to a $1 to $2 offer has worked. But that's just my experience. Yours might be different. Then lastly, experience level. I think direct linking is a great place to start when you're a beginner. When I first found out about Bing ads, that's how I started. I started out direct linking right away. And I was lucky enough to have some success with direct linking and kind of like reassure me that this whole making money online thing is possible. So if you're a beginner, direct linking is a great way to start out. Once you see that first sale, you'll start to think in your mind like, oh my God, someday I'll be able to work full-time online. Like, it just gives you that extra bump of motivation to keep grinding. And then direct linking doesn't require a lot of time, like I covered before, and it also doesn't require any software or know-how except for the tracking tool. That's the only thing that you really need when you're creating your direct linking campaign. And if you are experienced, then it would make more sense to set up a full email submit landing page with a follow-up series, because you're investing in your long-term value. Every email that you collect, like maybe they won't buy in the first month, but maybe you have a huge email sequence covering multiple months, and maybe on month 5 they buy a $100 product. Like, that's just a simple example, but it does make sense to collect your emails because you're investing in yourself and in the long-term value. And then once you have that big email list, that's your traffic. No one can take it from you. So I do teach this in my advanced Bing ads training course, how to create the landing page with an email submit and follow-up series. And that link will be in the description as well. And even if you are an experienced marketer, a direct linking campaign can be an easy way to see if the offer is worth setting up a full campaign for. This is what I have done in the past. If I see an offer, let's say it's a skin trial offer, if I don't want to spend 7 hours creating the campaign, not knowing if it's going to convert or whatnot, I'll set up a simple direct linking campaign to see if the offer does convert, if the conversion rate is decent, or if the conversion rate is high enough where it's worth my time to set up a full campaign around it. So that's another thing to think about. Even if you're experienced, just set up a simple direct linking campaign, see if you can get any conversions, and then really invest a lot more time and build a full campaign up around it. So that's it for this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all about this topic, comment below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And another thing I wanted to ask is, do you guys like this PowerPoint layout where I cover the topics in depth with these little bullet points? Because I've been doing it in the past, and for me, I think that it makes everything simpler, but I'd like to hear some feedback on that if you like these PowerPoint styles. Lastly, stay tuned for my direct linking case study that's coming out soon. I've been asking in my free Facebook group what types of offers that they would like to see, which network should I use for my case study. And right now it's looking like Max Bounty is the most popular network that I've been getting feedback from, and a health offer. So I'm letting the feedback run for a day, and then once I see all the comments for what people want to see, I'll zero in on one, but I'm guessing it's going to be max bounty and a health offer. So stay tuned for my direct linking case study. And lastly, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button below, click the notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.